we go for the evolution of IT infrastructure, that how the IT evolved, as the, like for example, how the evolution of the IT infrastructure was done, like when it started over there, like general purpose. Before, in 1959, the first time when, in 1959, general purpose mainframe or mini computer era, or then to the present over there. So in 1959, the mainframe computers, is it was just like a big room, okay, size of a room computer, and it was like a uh, the functionality was limited, but it was like the new one over there. So like in 1959, okay, so the mainframe computer came, and then a new generation comes, and then mini computers, laptop, mobile, and all these comes to us, okay. Like now the present, the personal computer era. When is the personal computer era? It started from 1981, like the PC in our college we have it, or in your home. So personal computer 1981 it started, and it's like till now it is working. Yeah, but we have seen that the use of personal computer has been like reduced over there, and people are like preferring the laptops over there. And then we have like a client slash server era. Okay, client slash server era means uh, uh, before, people were using only the personal computer. It was just like one computer in a one office. You do work over there, you use some floppy disk in it or CD over there, and that's it. They were not connected over there. But after, from 1981 to 1983, 3 years, there was like client server interaction. Okay, the scientists work and they connect the computer through the sockets. Sockets means IP address and the port address. They connect it through the network programming over there. Okay, and then the client and server can easily interact over there. So there was a structure like this one. Before, it was just like one PC like this one, okay, and standalone. But the scientists work over there, and they connect some clients, okay, okay, with the server. So for example, this is the server, okay, S, and this is client C1, and this is C2, okay. So there are two clients. Let's suppose it can be many clients over there. You can have 100 of clients, okay, no problem. And these were connected with this one. So the concept was in 1983 over there. This concept, client server concepts, emerged over there. And then what happened? Enterprise computing era, 1992. In 1992, like mostly when you were born, so the enterprise computing comes. Enterprise computing comes mean that the computer was used for business purposes. Before, it was just like automation, like you need just like a normal work. But then the people thought that why we not have this computer for like for example, for the use of businesses. Let's have some business like Amazon or like Alibaba kind of things over there. So they use for enterprise or for ERP or different purposes over there. Okay. In 2000, what happened? Cloud era and mobile era, it came over there. Era means like the time, the generation, zamana, or what you call it. You call it, what do you call in Arabic? The era, zaman, or what do you call it? Fatra, yeah. Fatra, or the age, the time over there. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the different eras of evolution. Evolution means the changing of IT infrastructure from 1959 till 2000 over there to 2020 over there, right?